Hello everyone, myself is Vandari. Today we are going to see the third lecture for the concept the structures in a C program. Within our last two lectures we have already gone over through the introduction about the structure members, structure variables, how we are accessing the structure variables. Now for the today's session we are just seeing some kind of a detailed study about the structure variable with the help of a program. So here for this first slide we are just gone through the detailed idea about the structure variable initialization that I already discussed for the last lecture, that within the structure body whatever the variables are declared, these are nothing but called as a structure members, or they are also called as a data variable. Here a one structure whose name is point is going to be declared. Now x and y whose data type is an integer, so these x and y are nothing but called as a structure member or the data members. But according to the rule, we cannot be initialize their value at the time of an declaration as we are doing for the ordinary variable declaration. So if we are writing this one, we make it the compiler error, that because we cannot initialize the structure member within a pair of the curly bracket. So what is the correct method for the initialization? So we are able to initialize or access the structure members with the help of the structure variable only. So here integer xy, these are called as a data member or structure member. Then within the main I have just declared one variable that is called as a structure variable. So here p1 is nothing but a structure variable whose data type is point, and then only I can give the value or initialize the value of the structure members. So here 0 and 1. So this 0 value is going to be initialized towards the structure member x, and 1 is the value is going to be initialized with the variable y. So this is the correct way that how we are initializing the structure members or the data members. So in short, please remember that we cannot initialize the structure members directly, but we have to take the help of the structure variable to assign any value to the structure members or the data members. Now for today's session, very important thing that we are going to be considered over here is nothing but the array of the structure. We have already seen what do you mean by array. We have already seen the structure. Now for this today's session, we are going to be combine the two these concept, and it is nothing but called as array of structure. So we know that what is array? Array is group of the same data type. Structure is also a group of the different data type. Then how they are used together? Like any other primitive data types, we can create the array of the structures. So sometimes we need multiple variables of the same data type as member of structure. As we know that what do you mean by the structure variable or the data members. So instead of using only one variable, we may require the array of the data variables. So we can declare that within a structure body. In such a situation, we can declare an array of the required data type as the member of the structure. Obviously, there are more than one data members, and hence to access this or to make any kind of the action to take out for these structure members, we have to use the different kinds of loops. Now, I will try to explain this one with the help of one program. So, within this program, I have just declared one structure whose name is stroke. Now, within a pair of curly brackets, which one is nothing but called as a structure body, I have just declared that integer number of 5. For the last program, we have just declared that integer number. So here, there, that is only a single variable, but now I have just declared integer number of 5. What it means that